Well, after battling it for about, well, 3 days technically, I finally managed to get that gas engine in that grain truck to run and got the corn hauled off. So, been doing a little work on a couple little things on it, getting it up to snuff. So, it's coming along. But today's video is going to involve the crew cab. So I have this product here that I saw a video on, and they said it was amazing. So figured, hey, I got a door panel I can try it on, because it's about as sorry looking plastic as you can get. It's not staged, it just really looks like that. Armor all the other side one time, and you can see it looks a little better. Probably need to go over the dash on this truck. It's getting a little fade look to it too. Maybe it'll brighten it up. It's supposed to be the color of that seat. Let's see. The older style back panels, because they never updated the rear doors on these trucks. They still look good. They were better material. The cheapness of the 80s. Per the instructions, premium surface restoration product. Ideal for restoring and maintaining all plastic, vinyl, rubber, and trim on your vehicle. So, shake before use, clean dry cloth, rub thoroughly in the cool dry surface for 10 to 15 seconds. Buff dry, repeat as necessary. So, see what it does. Maybe well beyond help here. Well, I'm gonna say it won't work miracles. I ain't gonna bring that door panel back. So, we'll try it on this dash. See what that does. Looks like it could have potential. Well, I don't know if it looks any better than just regular old Armor All. I don't know if it protects any better than regular old Armor All. But hopefully it does a good job of keeping the dash from cracking up. And maybe makes it last a few more years. So I'll put a little luster in it, but not so much for the door panel. And we'll say that one's toast. Reduce pink. Far cry from the dash. So I'd like to be able to report that this stuff is miraculous and does what they claim, but it just appears to be more essentially an Armor All type product. It'll do a little, but it ain't gonna get a lot. There it goes. Reconditions and preserves. So as long as we get the preserve part, the rest of it's not that important. Could just paint it all. Like that pod. It's the same plastic. I think that's how they did them to begin with anyway. I don't think that stuff's actually dyed that color. I think it all starts off life as a gray plastic and then they put the color on it. Because you kind of see the gray rubbing through in multiple places. But that's going to be it for that review. So maybe you learned something. I hope so. Well, hopefully this little review will be of value to somebody. And thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and we'll get back to work.